Hampton's, New Hampshire, where the marshlands are golden, the beach is breezy, and I'm here pretending I'm in some kind of nature documentary. This is the Bite-Sized Traveler, and welcome to my channel. Join me as I take the challenge of having the most perfect beach day at Hampton's Beach in New England. Hamptons is the hidden gem that offers a tranquil atmosphere and breathtaking natural beauty, making it an ideal destination for the perfect beach day. But first stop, Hampton's Fall River Marshlands. This place is peaceful, way too peaceful. I'm suspicious. If this was a horror movie, this is where the plot twist would happen. But don't worry, no creepy marsh creatures here, just birds and maybe some mysterious rustling in the grass. The vibes? 10 out of 10. You feel like you're in moody nature-themed indie film. Highly recommend for deep life reflections or pretending you're in the Marshland Instagram photo shoot. We've all had those beach days where the scenery is just okay, the activities are limited, and the vibe is just off. And then there are those days when you stumble upon a gem, a beach that checks all the boxes and leaves us feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and already planning our next visit.
It's Friday evening and we are at Hampton's Beach. We drove here. It's a 1.5 hours drive from Boston if you are planning to visit. And it's famous for its clean beaches and boardwalk with cute cafes, gift shops and eateries along the beach. And if you're looking for stay options, there are quite a few hotels. So we are just gonna be here for one evening and roam around and enjoy the view. Yeah.
Hampton's Beach, let me tell you, this beach was serving vibes. The wind was in my hair, the smell of salt in the air, and I'm not saying it was magical, but I did start considering a career as a beach bum. Now, here's where I reveal the ultimate guide to any beach visit, because there are 5 things you absolutely have to do when you're at the beach. Any beach. Especially this beach, where the sun sets just right and the seagulls judge your snack choices. First, walk barefoot in the sand. Yes, it's a cliche, but listen, if you don't get a little sand stuck between your toes, did you even go to the beach? Bonus points if the sand's either scorching hot or cold enough to make you question your life choices. Second, battle the wind with your hair. This one's for my long-haired people. It's a law of universe that beach wind will turn your hair into a weapon. Try to look cute for 1 second and bam, instant regret. So naturally, you spend 90% of your time untangling it or giving up entirely. Third, people watch and judge their skills. You're not just relaxing, you're assessing. How fast are they running? Could you do better? Or maybe you should just give up because you cannot catch up to them. Fourth, get hypnotized by the waves. There's something about the waves, isn't there? You stare long enough and suddenly you're questioning the meaning of life, or wondering if you should just give up on your current life and stay here forever until you remember you've got bills to pay and plant at home that's already probably dead. So yeah, maybe next time. Fifth, pretend you're in a music video. No beach trip is complete without pretending you're a star of a music video. Got some slow-mo shots? Check. A little moodiness with the sunset behind you? Oh yeah. Feelings of being in an early 2000s teen drama? Absolutely. From surfing the waves to strolling along the bustling boardwalk, Hampton's Beach offers something for everyone. If you're into water sports, surfing here is a must-try. The beach has great waves, perfect for beginners and seasoned surfers alike. You can rent a board or take a lesson from local surf shop if you're just starting out. It's a great way to make the most of that ocean breeze. When you need a break from the water, the Hamptons Beach Boardwalk is where the real fun happens. It's packed with delicious food stands offering everything from fried seafood and lobster rolls to classic boardwalk snacks like fried dough and ice cream. There's even an arcade where you can challenge your friends to a game of skee ball or try to win that elusive stuffed animal. If you're visiting during summers, you might just catch one of Hampton Beach's famous festivals like the annual sand sculpting competition or the seafood festival. Trust me, there's nothing quite like walking along the boardwalk with fresh plate of food, hearing the sounds of live music and soaking in the lively atmosphere. And one of the most unforgettable moments, watching the sunset over the ocean. The sky lights up in pink, orange, and purple hues, while the beach fills with people laughing, chatting, and seagulls sweeping overhead. It's pure magic, a reminder of why beach is such a beloved spot. So yeah, that's the Hamptons Beach experience in the nutshell. Surfing, food on the boardwalk, arcade games, and big music video main character energy. Highly recommend. After all that hard work beaching, I had to reward myself with some food. Enter Tino's Kitchen Plus Bar. The ambience, chef's kiss. The food, double chef's kiss. I went for the Mediterranean-inspired charcuterie board. Trust me, it was like a mini vacation for my taste buds. Fresh, flavorful, and I'm pretty sure I became 10% fancier just by dining here. Honestly, this meal alone was worth the trip to Hamptons. So if you're here, do not miss it. As I reflect on my beach day at Hamptons, I'm reminded of why it's a must-visit destination in New England. So what's your favorite beach destinations? Have you visited Hamptons Beach before? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel, The Bite-Sized Traveler, for more travel experiences, tips and recommendations. Until next time, see you in my next video.